Thank you. This afternoon with Wallabies prop, Steve Moore on his 100th test today. So Steve, how do you feel about your 100th test today?
Oh, it was tremendous performance. It was an outstanding movement for the politician that makes me keep moving forward. Yeah.
All right. So you've been out from rugby for 2 years. Now you're back in rugby. So how does it feel to be playing back on the field?
Oh, it's just like coming back from a long walk in the desert of Kalahari. When you reach the green zone and then you see the big swimming pool underneath the coconut tree, it's just I couldn't believe it. I just thank God for the new DVD player. Thank you.
So oh yes, I think you are the first Fijian.
Absolutely. Possibility corresponding.
So what do you think on the next game? You gonna take each game at a time, or you just gonna prepare for the following two matches?
I want to take one day at a time, because as you can see, World Cup is coming by just around probably next year in Japan. The coach wanted me to go and play my last debut for the World Cup, and I said I'm too old for this.
So just a last question before we leave. Do you have any motivation speak, or do you have something to say to the young Fijian fans watching this video of yours?
I'll just speak in a Fijian, my mother tongue, because it's been so long I've been away from Fiji. Vekemonina biwakanai, ni vara rongo tikimai. A sekalave ni govina vinaka, ni vakaukawa, ni viko buti vakavechi oro, monindate ngame kuntandola na isongo, vinaka vale. Thank you very much.
Oh, so you forgot Fijian?
Oh, it's been a very long time ago.
Boy,